Pre-loved Gucci GG Canvas Web Hobo Bag. This Gucci bag is in good condition with minor wear and tear. The main areas of concern are the magnetic strap lock, leather strap handle, upper exterior lining, and interior. The magnetic strap lock and leather handle show normal signs of wear and tear. The upper exterior lining has minor discoloration, while the interior has visible stains. As a canvas bag, it also has minor scuffing and fraying. The magnetic lock has scratches. At first, the bag is shown with fillings to display how it looks when in use. I am also showing the inside of the bag and how it looks without the fillings. When sold, the bag will be sent to eBay Japan's Authenticity Guarantee Center in Tokyo. After verification, they will forward it to the buyer. While shipping may take longer, both the customer and the buyer will be protected.